Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. We have our first box of new books in the new year.
Yes, we do, and it's a big, big box
Oh
of
my
books.
goodness, look at all these books. Let me call you sweetheart, confectionery of affection. How cute. Adorable.
Ooh, we have Parker Grows a Garden.
The Way Champs Play by Naomi Osaka.
Cool. We have, Super Gross. What's in your
Ew.
body?
Gross. Heartstring.
Ooh, Interrupting Cow and the Horse of a Different Color.
Oh, a DVD, Lyle Crocodile.
Ooh, exciting. Ooh, are these together?
Yes,
Okay,
series.
we have Catalina Incognito, Off Key, and Skateboard Star.
Nice. Another series, the new Geronimo Stilton, Mouse vs. Wild.
Oh, we have Pepper and Boo, a cat surprise.
Nice, one of our friends recommended that to us. We're in this together, and in this our store.
Oh, I guess this will go for next year. We now have Was the Night Before Christmas. For next
Okay.
holiday.
And also for next year, Hanukkah favorites.
All right, we have On the Corner of Chocolate Avenue.
Oh, the story of Ukraine.
Whose tracks in the snow? All their little animal friends.
Dragon Noodle Party, a story of Chinese
Oh.
zodiac animals.
That's just in time. Oh, we have The Mystery of the Love List.
Argo and Me.
Oops. Dungeon Club, Roll Call, and this is a graphic novel.
Oh, neat. Our Dungeons and Dragons players are going to be really interested in that one.
Oh, yes.
The sun is late, and so is the farmer. Philip and Eric Stead's new book.
The Baker by the Sea.
Ooh, a couple scary stories for early readers. Beneath the Bed and The Doll in the Hall.
Oh, we now have What's Sweeter.
Oh, I was looking for that.
And now we know.
Fire Chief Fran.
How We Say I Love You.
Stacey Abrams, Stacey's Remarkable Books.
I Really Love You.
One White Crane, a bilingual counting book of the months.
Oh, we have Who Was Alex Trebek.
Bird Coat.
Ooh, we have The Babysitter's Little Sister, Karen's Prize.
Bedtime for Bone.
Ooh, we have one more scary story, A Walk in the Dark, and other scary stories.
New Racing Ace book. Ride it, patch it.
We have The Queen in the Cave.
New book on Puerto Rico. This is a new series we might get.
Oh,
Or Librarian
exciting.
West States. We'll see.
Ooh, another for Geronimo Stilton, Mouse House of the Future.
In the Neighborhood.
And if this isn't the cutest, we have Meow, The Truth About Cats.
Fire Truck to the Rescue.
Ooh, The Bird Book.
Stranger Things After School Adventures graphic novel.
Ooh, and we have an audio, so Bravelands, Blood on the Plains.
Dark on Nights.
Ooh, we're going to the ocean. We have The Lady and the Octopus.
Ooh, fit my book?
I wonder. Oh, we have What Was Reconstruction?
From the She Persisted series, Rosalind Franklin.
We have A Magic Tree House, Camp Time in California.
The little one.
Deadly Hearts, History's Most Dangerous People. Ooh.
For next year also, PJ Masks, Hello Christmas, and PJ Masks, Save Christmas.
Oh my goodness. See, well stocked. We have, Miles Lewis, Matchmaker. It's Valentine's is big
It
too.
is.
Huh?
Love books coming in. Who is Ketanji Brown Jackson?
Ooh, we got another ocean one. What Dwells in the Deep? Workbook.
The Bad Guys series, and Do You Think He Saw Us?
Aw. Little Owl's Love.
And another scary story, Shadow in the Woods.
Oh, looks like our last one. Nigel and the Moon.
So exciting. I can't wait to share these new books with all of our friends this year.